Repeat your question.
The magnetizing field of 1600 ampere minus meter minus 1 produce a magnetic flux of 2.4 into 10 power minus 5 Weber in a bar of iron of cross section 0.2 meter square. Calculate the
0.2 centimeter square.
centimeter square. Calculate relative permeability, intensity of magnetization and susceptibility.
Magnetic susceptibility. Your question is magnetic field 1600 ampere meter minus 1, magnetic flux 2.4 into 10 to the power negative 5 Weber. Area of cross section 0.2 centimeter square. So you have to find relative permeability, intensity of magnetization and magnetic susceptibility. You have to find intensity of magnetization and magnetic susceptibility and relative permeability. ठीक. So these quantities are in SI system. This is in CJ system. Change it into SI. So to change centimeter square into meter square, we multiply this by 10 to the power negative 4 meter square. Na? So at the shift decimal 1 plus 1 digit right, then you get 2 into 10 to the power negative 5 meter square. Meter square है, ठीक है. Now they have to find mu r. So to find mu r, we need mu and mu zero. Na? To find mu r, we need mu and mu zero. So mu zero known 4.2 10 to the power minus 7. Find mu for the material. So how you find mu? So mu is equal to b by h. Mu is equal to b by h. है ना? Permeability of material is magnetic induction, ratio of magnetic induction to the magnetic field. H is known but B is unknown. Na? So we find magnetic induction with the above given data. So phi given, phi is equal to BA cos theta. Phi is equal to BA cos theta. ठीक है? BA cos theta. Here theta is 0 degree. Here theta is 0 degree. ठीक है? So phi is equal to BA cos of 0. Phi is equal to BA cos of 0. Now find B. So B is equal to phi upon BA cos 0. So B into A cos 0 is 1. So phi is equal to B upon A. Phi is equal to B upon B is equal to phi upon A. B is equal to phi upon A. ना? ठीक है? Now we write equation for mu r. So mu r is equal to the ratio of permeability, the ratio of we find magnetic permeability of medium. So mu is equal to b by h. Mu is equal to b by h. Mu is equal to b by h. ना? So right value. So b by h. So b you have drag phi upon a. So right here phi upon a. Phi upon a. ठीक है? So thus you get a relation for mu. Phi upon h a. So thus we have derived a relation for mu in given data. Now we put given data, then we get mu. So mu is equal to phi. Phi is 2.4 into 10 to the power negative 5. AH given 1600, so write here 1600. A given 2 into 10 to the power minus 5, so write here 2 into 10 to the power minus 5. ठीक. So this is 10 to the power minus 5, this is 10 to the power minus 5, so cancel. ठीक है? So mu is equal to 224 upon 3200 ना So to remove this decimal, multiply numerator and denominator by 10, then you get 1 0 more here. So 8 3 जा 8 4 जा 8 3 जा 8 8 3 जा 8 4 जा 8 3 जा 24, 8 4 जा 32. So m is equal to 1 upon 4 into 10 raised to power 3. 1 upon 4 into 10 raised to power 3. So m is equal to 0.75 into 10 raised to power minus 3. No. So m is equal to 7.5 into 10 raised to power negative 4. 7.5 into 10 raised to power negative 4. So this is the permeability of the material. Now we find relative permeability. The relative permeability is the ratio of permeability of the material to the permeability of the vacuum. So mu r equal to mu by mu 0. So right value. So mu is 7.5 into 10 raised to power negative 4. Mu 0 is 4 pi into 10 raised to power minus 6. Okay. So you get 7.5 upon 4 into 22 by 7 into 10 raised to power negative 4 plus 7. Okay. So you get remove this decimal. So to remove this, multiply numerator and denominator by 10. Then you get 88 0 into 7 into 10 raised to power 3. Okay. So this becomes 5.55. Okay. 5 1 5 7 5 6. 505 735 630. To 157 into 7 upon 176 into 10 raised to power 3. Now simplify this. So 6.244. When you multiply and divide, then you get 6.244 into 10 raised to power 3 into 10 raised to power 3. So mu r is equal to 6.244. Multiply this by 1000, then your decimal shape 3-digit values. Now we find I. First we find I. So how we find I with the help of given data? Yes, find chi first. So what is relation between relative permeability and magnetic susceptibility? The relative permeability is one more than magnetic susceptibility. So mu r equal to 1 plus chi. So write the value of mu r, which you have to calculate it. 6244 minus 1 is equal to chi. So chi m is equal to 6243. This is the difference. Now we find I. So to find I, we write a equation which contains like so we know that matrix reaction B is equal to mu0 h plus r. So in this equation I is unknown, rest quantities are given. ठीक है, h is given and matrix reaction you have calculated, ना? Matrix reaction you have calculated. So B upon mu0 is equal to h plus I, ना? तो B upon mu0 is
ये एक बात सब गलत है। ये आंसर है?
काय 6 to 4 3
इसमें नहीं है ऐसा।
कितना लास्ट वर्ड काय 5 minutes 5 minutes
ये 15 है और ये पाई वाला भी यहाँ पे क्यों यहाँ साथ क्यों लिखा गया? साथ यहाँ क्यों लिखे?
1/7
सिर्फ 15 है ना? साथ में हमको बोल देना कि इनके वीडियो
तो काहे नहीं बोला थे आप?
तो बोल देंगे तो पावर वाली वैल्यू क्यों लिख देंगे? इससे गलती हुई है।
पावर वाली वैल्यू लिख दी है। पहले इसको सही करिए। चलिए सही करिए। ये जो है यहाँ 50 रहेगा ना, ओनली 50 नॉट 7। ये 7 इसका ये तो 22/7 का है, 22/7 का ये 7 में यहाँ लिख गया है, ठीक है। ये 22/7 था, ये चीज़ यहाँ पर हमने लिख दिया ना, ठीक है। इसको कर दिया ठीक, तो आपका ये हो गया। चलिए फिर इट्स वेरी चेंजेस।
पहले वीडियो काटा।
वीडियो नहीं काटना, 10 मिनट। Here this 7 is 22/7, not with 50 na. So this 7 is not here na. 7 is in multiplication only, okay. Now multiply 57 the 105 upon 176 na into 10⁻³ into 10⁻³. चल राइट दिस वन here. So you get mu r is equal to 105 over 176 into 10⁻³ ना. तो divide 105 by 176, divide 105 by 176. तो that value 0.596, 0.5965, तो 0.5969 into 10⁻⁴. into 10 raised to power 3. What is your answer? What is your answer?
Answer of mine is 596.8 9.
0 multiply 5 9 6
Point 8.
point 8 point
8.
9
9.5.
mu r. This is your mu r na. Okay, now we find magnetic susceptibility. So magnetic susceptibility, relative permeability is one more than magnetic susceptibility. Yeah. Okay. So mu r is equal to 5 9. Mu r is equal to chi m is equal to mu r minus 1. Na? So 596.9 minus 1. So you get 595.9. This is your chi. This is your chi. Now we find magnetic susceptibility. Intensity of magnetism. We have determined magnetic susceptibility, which is 595. 595.9. Now we find intensity of magnetism. We find intensity of magnetism. Write this. Right value. Magnetic induction you have calculated. What is value of magnetic induction? What is value of magnetic induction? I is equal to B upon V0 minus H. No? So I is equal to B. What is value of magnetic induction? You have calculated before this. B, value of B. Value of B, not B. 5 is equal to this. We have determined here. B. We have made here. So first find value of B. So B is equal to 5 is equal to BA. 5 is equal to BA. 5 is equal to B into A. ठीक है. So B is equal to 5 upon A. ना? तो I is equal to 1 upon mu naught into B. B is 5 upon A. So that 5 upon A minus H. ठीक है. Now, field value in this equation, then we get I is equal to I is equal to 1 upon mu naught. तो 1 upon 4 pi into 10 raised to power minus 7 into 5. Value of 5 is 2.4. 2.4 into 10 raised to power negative 5 upon mu naught upon A. Value of A is 2 into 10 raised to power minus 5. 2 into 10 raised to power minus 5 minus H. Value of H is 1600. So write it 1600. ठीक है, तो 10 raised power minus 5, 10 raised power minus 5 कहीं से, so you get 10 raised power 7 upon 4 into 22 by 7 और into 1.2, 2.4 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Minus 1600. So you get 7 into 1.2, 88 into 10 raised power 7 minus 1600. You get 8.4 upon 88 into 10 raised power 7 minus 1600. So 84 upon 88 into 10 raised power 7 minus 1600. So 4 2 2 4 2 4 1. So 21 upon 22. 21 upon 20. Now divide 21 by 22. Divide 21 by 22. What is division? Divide 0.9545. 0.9545. So right here I is equal to 0.9545 into 10 raised power 7. 10 raised power 7 minus 1600. Okay. So now multiply. So you get 9545. ठीक है, point into 10 raised power 3 minus 1.6 into 10 raised power 3. Now adult of both terms become same. So you can subtract this 0.45, right here 0.45. 0.45 into 10 raised power 3. Now subtract. Then you get I is equal to 5, 14, 6, 8. 14, 6, 8. 4, 1, 3. 4, 5, 9 into 10 raised power 3. So this is your intensity of metallization. So you can write this. See your answer. Empirical answer. See your answer.
9.53.
9, 5,
9 point
9 point. So
53
9.54
534
into 10 raised to power 1, 2, 3. Shift decimal 3 digit left. So when you shift decimal 3 digit left, then power of 10 increases by 3. No? So I is equal to 9.54 into 10 raised to power 6 ampere meter minus 1. Ampere meter minus 1. This is your answer. Okay.
नहीं आंसर नहीं, आंसर है एक इधर से चलो दबाइए 9.534 into 10 की पावर minus 5. अरे सिर्फ 5
10 raised to power minus 5.
10 की पावर 5.
5 only.
हाँ only 5.
So you have shift decimal 1, 2, 3, 4 place है. So 7 minus 4 3 will become 3 or 3 place shift. Then 10 raised to power 3.
3 4 5 के बाद 3 आना चाहिए फिर 4
5 के बाद
3 4
9.5
3 4
534 चलिए राउंड फिगर में 54 सही है ना। ये पावर आपका 5 होना चाहिए, पावर 5 होना चाहिए ना।
हाँ
तो पावर देख लीजिए हेयर 0 है, हेयर 1 डेसिमल ना, हेयर 1 डेसिमल, तो दिस reduces 1 power of this ना, so this becomes 6 है, ठीक है। if 6 then this become now you shift 3 digit then you shift 3 digit then you get 95.45 है? तो 95.4385 ठीक है। देखिए एडजस्ट दिस decimal then one power reduces ना, so 10 to the power 6 huh? Now we shift only 3 digit left right, so when you shift 3 digit huh? then power of 10 reduces by 3 ना? So you get 9545.45 here decimal है, ठीक है। Your decimal become after 4 then 5 then this huh? Now subtract 954.545 into 10 to the power 3 minus 1.6 into 10 to the power 3 no? Then this becomes 5 4 or not take 1 to 15 or 15 6 9 or 4 1 then you get 2 here 2 no 2 5 this huh? ठीक है into 10 to the power 3 now shift decimal 2 digit left, so when you shift decimal 2 digit left then power of 10 increases by 2 no? So I is equal to 9.53 into 10 to the power 5 in round figure this become 9.53 into 10 to the power 5 ampere meter mercury. This is the correct. So write down.